Welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to cover the sheet metal function and how to work with that, and I will make the entire series about sheet metal in a PTC Creo parametric. I'm using right now 7.0, and let's start with the basics. I will start with a simple extrude for the sheet metal. So let's get started. So to get into the sheet metal environment, just click new, and on a part here is a sheet metal. So click here and give the file name as per your requirement or as per you understand. So this is my first tutorial about sheet metal. So I will just write sheet metal extrude and 001. So click OK, and here is the sheet metal environment. We can start with the walls. In a walls we can go for the extrude, that how to work with the extrude. Here is some of the specific information how you can use it. So let's click on extrude and go for let's choose the front plane. So what is the difference between a part extrude and a sheet metal extrude? So there is no major difference between both of them, but in a sheet metal extrude you can have the open or closed cage, doesn't matter, and here you have to define the thickness of the sheet metal part. So just for sure, let's take simple bracket, and we can define thickness 4 millimeter. So click on line, and we can create some simple bracket, or let's say some simple part, so we can demonstrate better way the extrude. So definitely I'm going for the sketch line and make it very simple. Okay, and right now the dimension of this line doesn't matter, but for sure to give a better understanding, I will give something like this will be the 100, and this one is also I will make 100 as well. Okay, and these two line I will make a symmetric about this axis. So select this point, this and this axis. Okay, and here I will give 150 millimeter. This one just again something like 80 millimeter. Okay, and you don't need to define any other like you don't need to have some close profile. This is the sufficient to make the extrude in a sheet metal environment. So just click OK. And here you can see, okay, my visualization is in wireframe. I will change into the shading with H. Okay, so here you just need the two things here to setting up. So first you need to decide what is the thickness of this part. So right now is the default one, it's a 1 millimeter. So I will change into the 4 millimeter. And it's a very important, the inside radius. So I will go for the option, and here is that inside. You can also select the outside here, but I will select the inside, and radius will be the 4 millimeter. Okay, and some of the basic function like part design, that is similar like a blind, and you can change the direction how you would like to have. Also this side or this side, doesn't matter. And one is a symmetrical, on the axis both side of the sketch plane. So symmetrical, so from the front plane it will be here half, and half will be the other side. Okay, so this is the function, and the two selected, I don't have any other here geometry or any other thing, so I will just keep it as it is. So I will go for the symmetric, and I will add something like 50 millimeter here. And my profile is like ready, my holder or bracket, whatever you want to say, guys. So this is the ready. So this is the very simple. Yeah, here you can set up this bed allowance. I have already set up default one, so I'm not going to change this, but definitely I would cover what does it mean by this K factor and Y factor in upcoming tutorials. And properties, here you can change. If you don't want to keep it like a default name extrude one, you can change here, for example, base one or whatever. I will keep it extrude one. It's quite okay for me. Yeah, so here is that simple extrude sheet metal part. Click OK. Yeah, and if you want to modify something, you can you can click here, and this pops up window zone, and you can go for the edit definition. In a placement, there is an internal section. This is the sketched. Yeah, so this sketch you can edit and you can modify. For example, I will select this part, something like this. Yeah, okay, doesn't matter right now. Just click OK, and you can see here. Yeah, so this is how you can work any complex geometry. You can work with a sheet metal part. So that's it for now. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Next tutorial I'm going to talk about this twist, the twist features. It's a very important features when you want to create some twist on a sheet metal part, let's say, and it's really useful. And Creo is giving really flexibility in sheet metal. There are varieties of function and features which we need to cover, and I will make the series about the sheet metal in a Creo parametric 7.0. So thank you guys for watching this video. See you in a next video.